Mommy might finally be home. Liv is finally on top.
Push the pedal to the floor, blow 'em all away. Yeah, you see I'm getting close, I accelerate. Going faster than fast, hit the gas, lose control. I won't crash, running high. Put your money on the dash, throw the dice, lose control. I won't crash, running low. I won't crash, when you slow. I won't crash, running. Take, you running on the road.
She is the one they have called the future of the women's division.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making her way to the ring from Laredo, Texas,
Roxane Perez was trained by WWE Hall of Famer Booker T, and he has said on numerous occasions that he sees endless potential in Perez.
Potential is great, but she needs to tap into that killer instinct that Booker has. That edge keeps you on top.
from Long Island, New York, Will Nightmare.
You're looking at some highly motivated competitors in this match, looking to steal the show and capture the attention of the entire WWE Universe.
She loves the reaction she receives from the WWE Universe, and I think she's going to take that energy into the match, too.
Hard not to superstars in the ring, a competitor who has no limits.
She wouldn't know her limits if they were right in front of her, Michael. Some might think she's reckless at times, but it's impossible to get her to change her ways now.
And I wouldn't expect her to fight any different in this matchup either.
And she'll be taking on the seemingly endless perseverance of Roxane Perez.
We've seen what Perez is capable of and what she's able to withstand. At this point in her career, I think she's earned the nickname the Prodigy.
What is she concocting?
Russian leg sweep. Perez getting ready. Oh my God. Diving moonsault.
And now Roxane is thriving off the audience.
Why is she still boasting around? She's in a fight, for goodness sake. I don't really think this is the most opportune time to be looking for the fans' praise. German suit makes the cover. A kick out, and you can see the frustration starting to build.
Got to change something up with the pin technique.
Senton hits the target.
Ooh! And Roxane had it scouted.
Drop kick hits the mark. Oh, here it comes.
That's how you take an opponent down. Goes into the pin. She kicks out in one.
I can't believe the ref didn't get two here.
Oh, and a wicked clothesline. With the counter.
Roxane Perez rallying the crowd behind her.
And that was an efficient display of offense with that maneuver. Oh, float over a Russian leg sweep. Oh, mounting. And hammering away.
Every strike more devastating than the last.
Oh my God! Moonsault!
You see that height?
For the win! And she breaks the count.
Her iron will on display for the world to see.
Running crossbody.
Nicely done.
Up on the shoulders.
Down in a hurry.
Perez had a bit of the fight taken out of her there. She manages to get control. Perez caught by surprise.
She did her homework there.
Getting carried, unsure what they're thinking.
Ooh, drop the cover for the win!
Kicks out before the 2 count.
This is where great cardio makes all the difference, helping you stay alive deep into the match.
Look how she's raining down those elbows.
On the attack from behind. Neck breaker.
Moved at the right time.
Right hand after right hand. This is ugly. Roxane Perez, great athleticism, backhand spring senton.
That shot from Perez was like a bolt of lightning.
And Roxane's spirits are running high now.
I gotta tell you, I thought she was done there.
She wants to finish this. Roxane Perez. Pop rocks.
Roxane can taste victory now.
There's 2! A big win! That took a huge effort. These ladies put on quite a show. Here's another gander. Tonight as a winner.
Perez was simply able to stay in the game and get the job done.
Yeah, she always fights with the heart of a champion, and tonight, it really paid off.